Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Stake. Stake means strong wooden or metal post with point at one end. For example, the stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. The stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. Synonyms: post, pole, stick.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. Now, repeat after me. The stakes are high, but the opportunity is enormous. The second exemplar. The simplest of all plant supports are stakes or poles. Now, repeat after me. The simplest of all plant supports are stakes or poles. The third exemplar. The learning curve is steep and the stakes are high. Now, repeat after me. The learning curve is steep and the stakes are high.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Oxyphenbutazone is the highest scoring word in a game of Scrabble. Although, it's only hypothetical and hasn't been played ever. But hey, maybe you'll be the first one to use it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.